Jordan 1 Low Black and Particle Grey makes its return for holiday 2025, giving sneaker fans another opportunity to grab a versatile low-top classic. Its two-tone scheme combines a white leather base with black overlays, anchored by black laces and outsole, while the Particle Grey Swoosh, collar, and embroidered wings logo add contrast. Balanced by a crisp white midsole, the shoe retains the timeless Jordan DNA that connects both longtime and new fans. Built on the same tooling as the original Air Jordan 1, this low-top version delivers everyday comfort without losing its basketball heritage. Already spotted at retailers such as Hibbett and City Gear for $120, it remains one of the easiest Jordans to pair across styles, from casual to sport-inspired fits. With its clean neutral tones, heritage styling, and seasonal release, the black and Particle Grey stands out as a go-to sneaker for holiday 2025.